Somewhere deep in the fabric of space, there is a door that leads to another universe entirely.
Scientists call it a wormhole, and for 100 years the greatest minds asked one terrifying question. What would happen to a human being who fell inside? And the answer is nothing like you expect. Stay until the end, because what waits inside that tunnel is stranger than anything science fiction ever imagined. You will discover what happens to your body, how time breaks apart, and whether you could actually survive. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Everything you will hear comes directly from Einstein equations and real NASA research, and now we begin. Imagine a flat piece of paper with you on one side and a distant galaxy on the other. Fold that paper and the 2 points touch, and that fold in space is exactly what a wormhole is. Einstein first described this in 1935 and called it an Einstein-Rosen bridge connecting 2 points in spacetime. A wormhole does not just connect two places, it could also connect two completely different moments in time. Step into a wormhole on a Tuesday morning and step out in the same world 300 years ago. General relativity fully allows this, which means time travel is not science fiction, it is real science. What happens to the human body inside a wormhole is never taught in school, and you will never forget it. The moment you approach a wormhole, your feet are pulled millions of times stronger than your head. Scientists call this tidal force, and what follows they call spaghettification, where your body stretches like pasta. A massive wormhole larger than our solar system has gentle tidal forces, and a human could survive. Inside the tunnel, gravity bends light so that stars behind you appear directly in front of you. Near a wormhole, time slows down, so 1 hour inside means many years are passing back on Earth. GPS satellites must correct for this time bending every day, and without it your maps would completely fail. You are still alive and moving, and the exit is close, and what waits there will shatter reality. Physicists have argued for decades about wormhole exits because the implications for time disturbed even Einstein himself. You exit the wormhole and notice that every single star looks different, and all the constellations you knew are gone. You could be standing in the year 1200 or 3000, or a universe where history went differently. Back on Earth, everyone you knew kept living, and your family may be gone, and your home now ancient history. Many physicists believe wormholes connect parallel universes where every different choice was made and history went another way. The darkest possibility is the wormhole has no exit, and you are stranded with no signal and no return. To keep a wormhole stable, you need exotic matter with negative energy that we have never found or created. Without exotic matter, the tunnel snaps shut like a rubber band, and anything inside is lost between universes forever. Scientists now believe wormholes may not be just theoretical and may actually exist everywhere around you right now. At the smallest scale of reality, spacetime is not smooth, and tiny wormholes form and collapse constantly around you. You are surrounded by edges of other timelines, separated by a wall so thin that physics says it could be crossed. Your body would stretch and time would shatter, and you may never return, and no one would know where you went. The universe is vast and violent and indifferent, yet it follows precise rules that fully allow wormholes to exist. Hawking believed wormholes were real, and Kip Thorne spent his entire career proving they are genuinely possible. One day humanity will stand at the edge of one of these tunnels, and someone will take the first step.
Always stunning.
If that person is you, then you now know what waits inside with time bending and reality coming apart. If this video made your brain work, then hit like and subscribe, because next is black holes and it is even more terrifying.